welcome back to Auto Info. In this video, I'll be doing something a little different. I'm gonna be unboxing my 128 GB 8th generation iPad with Wi-Fi. I've also timestamped the important events of this video in the description below, so be sure to check that if you want to save some time. So now what you want to do is cut that plastic wrapper that's sealing the box. You want to do it pretty carefully. And behold, it is the iPad. It looks pretty cool. Um, Now I'm just gonna pull the tab that's next to the home button upwards, and that lifts up the iPad. And now we're gonna turn it on, but first just take a look at this 8th generation iPad. It looks pretty cool. In the box, you have this box. That's not really important. You have the um, adapter and the charging cable. Now at this point, I'm going to turn it on, and you can see that the Apple logo is indeed there. So now at this point, you should see a white screen with the word hello in different languages. Now, at this point, you want to press the home button. At this point, you have to select the language in which you want your iPad to be in. Here, you have to select your country or region. Then it brings you to the screen where it says Quick Start. Essentially, if you have another Apple device, such as an iPhone or an iPad, you can bring it near your new device and then you can set it up that way. But in this case, I'll do it manually. After you've selected your Wi-Fi and entered your Wi-Fi password, choose how you want your apps and data to be transferred onto your new device. After that, you will be directed to a screen where you will be prompted to enter your iCloud username and password. After this, you most likely can't see it now, but I've just been prompted to enter a 6-digit verification code. So enter your 6-digit verification code that's been sent to another Apple device that's under the same iCloud ID that you just entered into your new device, and then you should be directed to the terms and conditions page. Just click agree if you want to use your iPad. Now, bearing that I'm transferring data from an older iPad onto this new iPad, I'm going to select the latest iPad backup, and that is yesterday at 9:05 p.m. If you want, you can set up Siri on your new iPad, and I decided to do that. Now, this is the screen where you can set your appearance, your iPad's appearance. So I decided to go with the dark theme. Now, this process takes a really long time, so I just sped it up.
1 eternity later.
Now, you can see that the iPad has started up. You can see my Dodge Challenger Demon wallpaper. So now unlocking it for the first time, it's restored all of the data that was in my old iPad. So it's still doing some things. It's still restoring all of the apps that were in my old iPad, but it's got most of it, most of the data on there. It looks pretty cool. It's pretty fast, I'll have to say, and the screen quality is far better. Going into settings, it opens up pretty fast. The speed is definitely there. It's far faster than my old iPad. You can see that when I swipe, there's no lag at all. It definitely is pretty fast. You can see that there are these widgets, so I just decided to check them out. Um, yeah, the widgets are pretty cool. I have a map widget, one for stocks, one for my calendar, the weather. Basically, any data or information that you need is over there. So that's it for this video, and I hope it was informative but also enjoyable to watch.